If you're all done editing your website invitation, you've gone through, edited all the details, added the links. Now you want to publish your website so you can share it with your guests. This is what you're going to do. You're going to go up here to publish website. Then you're going to see this little area right here where it says site address. Sometimes it'll auto-populate. You can edit that and change that to be whatever you want it to be. Then you're going to go down to settings before you publish. This is an important part. Click settings and make sure this button right here, resize on mobile, is turned off. You're going to go down to click continue to publish, and now you're going to click publish again, and this is going to take a minute, and it's going to publish your website. You can go here and click view your website, and all you have to do is copy this address up here, and then you could share it out. If you don't want to do it that way, you can go back here, click that, click the little arrow, and you're going to be able to right click the link right here. That's going to be your site address. This is what you're going to want to share with your guests. You can also click this share button and click the live website, and you can get your link like that. If you need other help on these website invitations, I have other videos on my YouTube channel, so you can check those out.